a very bright and charming morning. Students, tell me name of any one thing which that make you smile. Like a new toy makes you smile. One thing that makes cry like when your favorite toy break. Even a vegetable can make you cry. Students, which vegetable is this? Yes, this is an onion. Now, which vegetable is bitter in taste? Yes, students, bitter gourd. Yes. Now, in this session, let us do an activity. The activity name is Sort the Fruits and Vegetables. Okay, students?
Students, today we will discuss about some vegetables and fruits. So, we will start from vegetables. This is a potato and it is a vegetable. This is brinjal and it is king of vegetables. These are peas. Peas are also a vegetable and it has small seeds. This is capsicum and it is green in color. This is tomato and it is a vegetable and its color is red. This is onion and it is purple in color. Now I will show you some fruits. These are grapes and grapes are fruit. There are two colors of grapes. One is green and the other one is purple. This is mango. Mango is called the king of fruits. This is guava. It is green in color. This is an apple and apple is red in color. Students, eat one apple daily. And this is a lemon and it is a vegetable and a fruit and it is used in salad. So students, today we will play a game that is sort the vegetables and fruits. Okay? Now start from here. Yes, tell me which vegetable is this? Sorry, what is this? Yes, this is a capsicum and it is a vegetable. It is a vegetable. Okay? Yes, these are peas. It has small seeds and it is also a vegetable and green in color. Okay students, now tell me what is this? This is an apple. Apple is a fruit. Students, it is to said that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So always eat one apple daily. Okay? Okay, now tell me what is this? Yes, this is a brinjal and it is the king of vegetables and it is purple in color. It is purple in color. Okay, now tell me what is this? Yes, this is a tomato. Now tell me, this is a fruit or vegetable? Yes, this is a vegetable. Okay, and also used in salad. Okay, now tell me what is this? This is a potato and it is a, yes, tell me what is this? It vegetable or fruit? Yes, it is a vegetable and children love potato very much. Okay, now tell me what is this? Yes, this is a fruit or vegetable? Yes, these are grapes and it is a fruit. Yes, tell me what is this? It is a fruit or vegetable? Student, this is guava and it is a fruit and green in color. Okay. Now tell me what is this? This is a vegetable or fruit? Yes, this is a vegetable. This is a onion and it is a vegetable. Yes, now tell me what is this? Yes, this is a mango and it is a fruit and it is called the king of fruits. Okay, students?
Dear students, now open your book I Can Beginners Book 5 and go to page number 20. Here we have an activity that is meet letter S. So, look at the first part of this page. Here we have some images and you have to tell me which picture is that which begin with letter S. Let's check images one by one. First image is snowman. S is for snowman. Second one is R for rose. Third one is S for sand. R for rat. And last image is S for sofa set. Now students, S for snowman, S for sand, S for sofa set. These images are begin with letter S. Now circle it. Students, now check the second part. Here we have been given a pattern to trace that we will make letter S after tracing. So, trace the whole dotted area. Now, open page number 21. Here we have some images of socks. Some different letters are written. We have to circle those socks on which letter S is written. Students, in this session, we will once again revise the rhyme 7 days.
Seven days. It is just 7 days left for a holly, holly, holiday. It is just 7 days left for a holly, holly, holiday. 7 days of the week, a holly, holiday by the tree. 7 days of the week, a holly, holiday by the tree. It is just 7 days left for a holly, holly, holiday. It is just 7 days left for a holly, holly, holiday. 7 days of the week, a holly, holiday by the tree. 7 days of the week, a holly, holiday by the tree.
Now go to page number 22. Here we have an activity that is meet number 7. So look at the first part of this page. Here we have to color in the number 7, which is on the left side of this page. Here we have some caps. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now students, here we have 7 caps. Now students, look at the left side of this page. Here have beads road. Now you trace and color 7 beads on the road. Now at the bottom of the page, here have some mushrooms with numbers written on them. You have to color only these mushrooms on which number 7 is written. In this session, here an activity, meet number 7. Students, open page number 23. So look at the first part of this page. Here we have some images of star. Some different numbers are written. We have to tick those stars on which number 7 is written. Students, check the second part of this page. Here we are given a pattern to trace that we will make number 7 after tracing. So trace the whole dotted area. Now move to next session and open page number 24. Here we have an activity that is vegetables basket. So students, paste stickers of vegetables and make your own vegetable basket. Okay. Now story time. The title of the story is The Chapati Pizza. I am hungry. Shalu is at the food court with her elder sister Nana. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Shalu wants to eat a pizza. Nana has a better idea. She wants Shalu to have a healthy meal. So Nana orders for vegetables, paneer, and chapatis. Here is your pizza. Nana opens the chapati and spreads paneer and tomato slice on it. Wow! Shalu gets a chapati pizza. She is happy to eat it. It is also healthier than the big round cheesy pizza. Okay, student, goodbye. Have a nice day.